for checking the road roughness. We are having a road and we are going to check the roughness value. Okay, roughness means like whenever we are moving on the road, so there are some jerks. When you are traveling a car, whatever bike, so we feel some jerks, right? So what is that value of the jerk, or you can what is the value of roughness? So that we are going to quantify by using this equipment, right? So this is called Merlin. MERLIN. हाँ, this equipment इसका नाम है Merlin. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Merlin means machine for evaluating roughness. I am telling the full form of Merlin. Machine for evaluating roughness using low cost equipment.
Low cost instrument.
Instrument, sorry, whatever. So we have a wheel over there, right? We have a wheel over there and there is a small probe fixed here, right? A probe, and we have a graph attached over here, right? So these are the basic part, and this is like just a like you can say support for the handle. I can say this is support for the handle, right? So here we are trying to rotate the wheel. We are having a mark. You can see the mark, orange mark. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So we are having an orange mark. So we are trying to rotate like we are doing revolution wise, right? One revolution. Likewise, we are taking 200 revolutions for a particular stretch, right? For example, you are taking for a 10-kilometer stretch. So like we will see, we need to find out the value of roughness for 100 kilometer. So we divide the stretch among 10 kilometers. Every 10 kilometers, we take 200 revolutions. Isn't it? And those points, whatever revolution points are there, here we are marking by graph, right? These are some points which shows the like you can see the roughness value, right? So we are making 200 revolutions. We will mark 200 points over here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We are marking 200 points over here. Then we are having some equation. Say most of you have done BTech, so sometimes we are having one equation called International Roughness Index, IRI value. Have you ever heard this one? We are having IRI value. We are having equation from here graph. We get one value called D. Right? From here to here, whatever we get the points, we get the value of D. That D value is put in the equation of IRI. We are having one equation, right? So in that equation, as we put the value of this D, we will get the IRI index, or how much the roughness of the road is there, right? It ensures the riding quality of the particular road. Ultimately, we are checking the riding quality, isn't it? We are trying to check the riding quality, whether the riding quality is good, bad, poor, like how you rate your, like you can say, you give feedback, right? Very good, excellent, poor, something like that. So we mark into scale. The like performance is whether it is like poor quality or high quality. So this is how we are going to do the rough, like you can say Merlin test. We are having other equipments, but this is one of the, you can say, low cost instrument, you can say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So anyone is having any doubt on structure? Right? This they are performing. Then after that you can also perform. You can also take reading, right? Like just you follow them. Like phone ले लो. Just he will like see how after one revolution he will mark one point and he will make a tally. Here we need to have 200 count. यहाँ पे 200 point आएगी. Clear? Understood? Up to you. Yeah. 50-50.